Hello, I'm Kate Tihin on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. Only brave investors buy the euro on the current levels. If the stress tests of the European banks do not push the common European currency down again, then this will provoke the worsening of the world's investors' attitude to risk. Indeed, as the euro-dollar pair comes closer to the rate of 1.30, the advance of the euro starts to look very indecisive. New wave of the optimism regarding the recovery of the world's economy, the further increase of the world's fund markets, and new hopes for the fact that the worst in debt crisis of Eurozone has been already passed, promoted the recent upturn of the euro. The advance of the sentiments was also supported by the number of statements made by the European officials, who were trying to convince investors that the stress tests of the largest European banks are not a problem. Nevertheless, next Friday the results of stress tests will be presented, and the skepticism regarding these tests starts to advance. The goal of the test was to moderate the credit terms, have improved the credit capacity of banks, as well as that they are not strong in order to overcome new debt crisis. However, the uncertainty concerning how good are these tests and assurance of the European politicians that their banks will pass tests anyway steadily weaken the market's confidence in this process. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team. Goodbye.